All right, picture this. Math isn't just a bunch of numbers on a page. It's the secret code behind everything cool in the world. From video games and roller coasters to baking cookies and launching rockets, math is like the hidden engine that makes it all work. Let's break it down. Imagine you're at a pizza party. Fractions help you split slices so everyone gets a fair share. Geometry kicks in when you figure out how to cut the pizza into perfect triangles. And when you calculate how many pizzas to order for your whole class, yep, that's multiplication and division, saving the day. Now what about algebra? Think of it like a mystery. If I told you I have some number of cookies plus 3 more cookies and it equals 10, algebra is how you solve the crime and find out how many cookies I started with. It's all about using clues to find the missing piece. But math isn't just for school. Let's say you want to build the ultimate treehouse. You'll need to measure wood, figure out angles, and make sure it all fits together. That's math, working behind the scenes. Or maybe you want to create your own video game. Coding is basically math with a creative twist. You're using logic, patterns, and problem solving to make the game come alive. I know, sometimes math can feel impossible. But here's the trick. Instead of thinking about right or wrong answers, try seeing math as a puzzle. Every problem is just a riddle waiting to be cracked. And the more you practice, the better your brain gets at solving them. Think about your favorite YouTuber or your favorite athlete. They didn't get good overnight. They practiced, failed, tried again, and kept going. Math is the same way. Each mistake is just another clue that gets you closer to understanding. So next time you hear someone say, "I'm not a math person," remember, no one is born knowing all the answers. Math is a skill, and anyone can get better with a little curiosity and practice. So grab a pencil, ask questions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Because every time you solve a problem, you're not just learning math, you're training your brain for anything life throws your way. Thanks for hanging out. Now go, crack some codes, and keep being awesome.